So with COVID, greatly impacting our society and the industry, to what extent do you believe the virus has accelerated the partnership across, pharmaceutical companies, and also the partnership between pharmaceutical companies and various governments? And what's your view on how this partnership will impact risk?
Well, I think the first time we saw that was with Ebola. And, all the pharmaceutical companies worked with, just about all, worked with the major health departments in Europe and the United States, as well as in Japan and other parts of Asia. And there you saw true partnerships where it really didn't matter. People were sharing compounds, and whoever's in the best position to continue that research and the development for that. It was record time that you may recall that we got a vaccine for Ebola. And I think that was an important learning lesson for governments, pharmaceutical companies, as well as universities. And, we were able to hit the ground running when COVID came about. And, you have, partnerships here in the United States, as well as in Europe, between pharmaceutical industries, academia, and the government institutions, where we're all sharing. I gave an example. We shared about 1,000 compounds to that ecosystem to find out which of those compounds will be best in, fighting the COVID virus. So it's a critical, important, but it's really great to see the industry coming together with governments in order to, bring, a vaccine as well as therapeutic treatments to COVID.